Asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Asteroids, comets, and meteoroids are all debris remaining from the nebula from which the solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago. Asteroids are rocky bodies up to about 1000 kilometers in diameter, although most are much smaller. Most of them orbit the Sun in the asteroid belt, which lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Cometary nuclei exist in a huge cloud called the Oort cloud that surrounds the planetary part of the solar system. They are made of frozen water and dust and are a few kilometers in diameter. Occasionally, a comet is deflected from the Oort cloud onto a long elliptical path that brings it much closer to the Sun. As the comet approaches the Sun, the cometary nucleus starts to vaporize in the heat, producing both a brightly shining coma, a huge sphere of gas and dust around the nucleus, and a gas tail and a dust tail. Meteoroids are small chunks of stone and iron, which are fragments of asteroids or comets. Meteoroids range in size from tiny dust particles to objects tens of meters across. If a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, it is heated by friction and appears as a glowing streak of light called a meteor, also known as a shooting star. Meteor showers occur when the Earth passes through the trail of dust particles left by a comet. Most meteoroids burn up in the atmosphere. The remnants of the few that are large enough to reach the Earth's surface are termed meteoroids. False color image of a Leonid meteor shower. Meteoroids. Stony meteorite. Fusion crust formed when passing through atmosphere. Olivine and pyroxene mineral interior. Stony iron meteorite, iron, stone, olivine. Optical image of Halley's Comet. False color image of Halley's Comet. High intensity light emission nucleus. Medium intensity light emission. Low intensity light emission. Development of comet tails. Sun, dust tail, gas tail, nucleus vaporized by sun's heat forming a coma with two tails, tails behind nucleus, coma surrounding nucleus, direction of comet's orbital motion, tails lengthen as comet nears Sun, dust tail deflected by photons in sunlight and curved due to comet's motion, gas tail pushed away from Sun by charged particles in solar wind, tails in front of nucleus, coma and tails fade as comet moves away from Sun. Features of a comet. Comet tails up to 100 million km long. Head, coma and nucleus. Coma surrounding nucleus. Broad curved dust tail. Thin straight gas tail. Structure of a comet. Glowing coma up to 1 million km across surrounding nucleus. Nucleus a few kilometers across. Thin straight gas tail blown by a solar wind. Gas molecules excited by sun and emitting light. Dust layer with active areas emitting jets of gas and dust. Jet of gas and dust produced by vaporization on sunlit side of nucleus. Ice is mainly water ice but also frozen carbon dioxide, methane and ammonia. Broad curved dust tail. Dust particles reflecting sunlight.